So guys, Contra profile latest update 2025. So now you can add your local Pakistani bank account in your Contra freelancing profile. So if you haven't watched my previous videos that I have already recorded since 2 years, that you can check it out. You can also check it out the 2024 variant. So this video is updated variant. So you will get the latest updated news regarding Contra freelancing profile. So guys, now you can see in 2025, now you can add your local bank account. So I have already created a video on that. So I'm updating this video again and providing you a latest feature. So currently PayPal is not available for Contra profile, but you can add your local Pakistani bank account detail for your transaction, for your customer communication. So here it is. You just need to add your country and your account type and your account details. So there is an option for your according to your local bank account. And here is the 1% 1% for the contra is taking 1% for your for your transaction. So here's the latest update in 2025.